Cheesecake is the perfect food for inspiring people. It is delicious and unique. And it never fails to make people happy. When you eat cheesecake, you feel like you can accomplish anything. It is the perfect dessert for any occasion. And it always makes people feel special. Cheesecake is the perfect way to show someone that you care. Birds inhabit nearly every corner of the world and play an important role in ecosystems everywhere. Birds are beautiful, graceful creatures that can be incredibly inspirational. Watching a bird soar through the sky is a truly breathtaking experience. And learning about their unique habits and behaviors is endlessly fascinating. Birds can teach us a lot about nature and the world around us. And they can also provide us with endless hours of entertainment. Whether you're a seasoned bird enthusiast or just starting out, getting to know these amazing creatures is definitely worth your time. Despite their destructive power, black holes also have a surprisingly beneficial side. Some scientists believe that black holes could be used as a form of interstellar travel. They are an incredible source of inspiration for artists and scientists alike. Their mysterious nature and vast power make them irresistible subjects for exploration and contemplation.